Hi guys, Lens here. In this video, I am going to show you how we are going to enable always dual SIM on. You want to go to connections. You want to go to SIM card manager. You want to go to calls. Then you want to select Ask Always. For the data, you can choose which one of the SIM you will like to enable data for, as you can only use one SIM data at a time, or if you desire to switch it. So you can choose which one you want to use at a time. So we are going to leave this as off. And also for messages, you will receive all messages from both SIM, but this is the setting in which you want to send, which SIM you prefer sending message from. These settings, you can always change these settings. So definitely here guys, I just showed you how to enable this. I am going to dial a number. So if I dial this number, it will ask me which SIM do I want to make the call from, and I can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. It's very simplified and very easy. Sometimes people somehow accidentally maybe take this setting off and only find themselves in a position where they can only make calls from one SIM. This is how you can fix those issues and choose back the correct setting. Or if you prefer using one SIM card for calls than another, this is how you program your phone to do all of these things. So guys, my name is Lens. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Turn the post notifications on as well. Bye bye.